Our topic is all about finding the equation of a line. So it is divided, anak, into 4 competency. Okay, for letter A, given any 2 points. Then for letter B, given the slope and a point. For letter C, given a slope and the y-intercept. And for the last one, given x and y-intercept. So meaning, day by day tayo, isang topic, isang araw lang para hindi kayo nalilito. So today, let us focus first, given any 2 points. Okay, pag sinabi natin, anak, 2 points, it is composed of ordered pair, x, y, where x is what we call the abscissa, and y is what we call the ordinate. Pero this time, anak, 2 points ang given natin. Dalawang ganito po. Okay, so last meeting, then na-discuss ko rin about the equation of a line. So we have 3 equation of a line. Those are standard form, general form, and slope-intercept form. So pag sinabi natin, anak, standard form, yung ax plus by or yung dalawang variable ay dapat nasa left side. That is the standard form. Pag naman po general form, anak, lahat sila nasa left side. And then sa slope-intercept form, yung letter y lang po yung nasa left. Then sa x nasa right side, kasama niya yung constant. So today, since meron na tayong iba't ibang given, madadagdagan yung form natin. Okay, this time, kapag given, anak, yung slope at isang point, ito yung pattern na gagamitin natin. This is what we call the point slope form. And this is the pattern y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope multiplied by the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Iyan yung gagamitin nating pattern to find the equation of a line given a slope and a point. Kapag naman, anak, given 2 points, ito naman po yung medyo mahaba. Okay, we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Oh, let's compare the difference between point slope form and 2-point form. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, anak, sa point slope form at 2-point form, merong term na magkaparehas. Ito po yun. Yung y minus y sub 1 meron din dito. Yung x minus x sub 1 meron din dito. Ano na po yung pinagkaiba nila? Okay, meron ditong fraction at ito letter m. Ano po ba yung letter m? Slope, very good. So, and to find the slope, ito yung formula niya. So, meaning, ang pinagkaiba lang po nila, dito sa point slope form, given agad yung slope. Dito naman po, hahanapin pa natin. Okay, pero ma'am, pwede rin po bang gamitin yung point slope form para makuha yung equation given 2 points? Yes, pwede po. Okay, uunahin muna natin kunin yung slope at ito yung formula niya para makuha yung slope. And the last form is what we call the intercept form. X over A plus y over b is equal to 1, where m is the slope of a line, a is the x-intercept, and b is the y-intercept. Again, today, let us focus first, given 2 points. And this is the given 2 points. So we have 2, 5, and the second point, we have negative 1, 2. So dito, anak, kapag given 2 points, dalawa yung method na pwede natin gamitin. Sabi ko nga kanina, pwede natin i-apply si 2-point form, okay, or si point slope form. So this time, focus muna tayo kay point slope form. Okay, so method 1. So method 1, we're going to use the point slope form. But before that, again, sabi ko kanina, find the slope first. Para isi-substitute na lang natin yung magiging value ng slope. Now, how to find the slope? This is the formula. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, how to identify the value of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2? Dito po manggagaling yan, anak, sa point. Okay, di ba? Sabi ko po, kapag sinabi natin point, it is composed of x and y. So, lalagay natin ang label yan. X, y, x, y. Then, dahil dalawa yung points natin, lalagay natin ng number. 1, 1, 2, 2. So, this will become x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, meron na tayong label. Ano nang next step? Papalitan na natin ito ng mga number. Okay, anong value ni y sub 2? Okay, gagawin na natin ito yan. Minus, ano yung y sub 1 natin? O, gagawin 5 yan. Okay, over, that is x sub 2. O, negative ba? Ito na po yun. Minus, what is x sub 1? 2. So, anong ginawa natin dyan? Substitute. Pinalitan natin yung value. Okay, naintindihan po. So, after substituting, our next step is to simplify na. O, now, what is the sign of 2 here? Positive. How about 5? Negative. Now, what is the operation pag magkaiba ng sign? Plus, minus. Minus, very good. 5 minus 2? Okay, 3. And then, anong sign ng 3? Negative. Bakit negative, ma'am? Very good. Kasi mas malaki po yung 5 kesa sa 2. So, copy the sign of the bigger number. Over. O, simplify natin yung denominator. What is the sign of 1? Negative. Sign of 2? O, both negative sila. Anong operation? Very good. Addition. 1 plus 2? 3. And then copy the sign of the two numbers. Anong sign ni 3? Okay, negative. Then after that, anak, pag nakuha na natin yung sagot, simplify your answer if necessary. Now, do you think we can simplify negative 3 over negative 3? Yes, because they are both divisible by itself, by negative 3. Diba? So, negative divided by negative, positive. Then, 3 divided by 3, 1. Or just simply, positive 1 na yan. So, meaning, nakuha na natin yung slope. Ito na po yan. So, our slope now is positive 1. That is step 1, ha? Now, our step 2 to find the equation of a line, we can use na the point slope form. Ano po ba yung form natin sa point slope form? Ito po yun. Iyan yung pattern. Okay, what we're going to do? Papalitan natin, anak, yung y sub 1, x sub 1, at yung slope. Yung y at yung x remain lang siya kasi variable po. Di ba ano po yan? Linear equation in two variables. So, kaya magre-remain lang po yan. Bring down lang po yan. So, ano nga po ulit yung y sub 1 natin? 5. Gagawin natin 5 to. And then, ano yung nakuha nating slope? O, papalitan natin siya ng 1. And then, what is the value of x sub 1? Okay, anong x sub 1? 2. Positive, pero ang operation ay subtraction. Kaya gagayahin lang po yan. Then, after that po, simplify na natin. O, how to simplify? So, this will become y minus 5 is equal to 1 times x minus 2. To simplify, anak, we need to distribute the given monomial by the given binomial. Distributive property, 1 times x. 1 x. Or simply, very good, x. Then 1 times negative 2. Okay, negative 2. Then ito remain lang yan. Bring down po. Then after that, now to find the equation of a line, our next step is to combine like terms. So what are like terms here? Negative 5 and negative 2. Kailangan magkatabi yan. So ano pong gagawin natin? Okay, pwede. Pwedeng get the additive inverse at negative 5. Or pinakamabilis na process is transpose na lang po. Ilipat natin, anak, si negative 5 papunta sa right side. Ano magiging sign ni negative 5? Very good. Magiging positive na yan. Then after that, simplify na natin. Y is equal to negative 2 plus 5. Same unlike. Add or subtract. Okay, 5 minus 2, 3. What is the sign of the bigger number? Okay, now, therefore, this is already the answer. So, the equation of a line given 2 points, we have y is equal to x plus 3. Now, the question is, what form is this? Ano po ito? Standard, general, or slope-intercept? Okay, slope-intercept, this is already the answer. Now, paano ko ang sinabi na sa exam? Or find the equation of a line in standard form. So, what we're going to do, naka-slope-intercept tayo. We need to rewrite. Very good. When we say standard form, anak, okay, standard form is, we have ax plus by is equal to c. Meaning, yung x at y nasa left side. Ito ay slope-intercept. So, to rewrite the given to standard form, we need to transpose x to the left side. Now, if we're going to transpose x, what will be the sign of x? Very good. Magiging negative na. And then si y, bring down lang po yan, is equal to 3. And take note, sa standard form, meron tayong rule. Kailangan si letter A, dapat positive. At si letter A, dapat whole number. Whole number po ba? Whole number po ba? Yes, imaginary 1. But the question is, 1 is positive? No. Or what we're going to do para maging positive yan? Okay, divide or multiply both sides by negative 1 para maging positive. Negative divided by negative, positive. Then negative divided by positive. So negative na po si y. Is equal to negative, positive divided by negative, negative, then 3. So therefore, this is the answer in standard form. At ito naman ay naka-ano? Slope-intercept form. So